Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku, Basalan, November 27, 2022, diagonal Sudoku. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come, these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come, these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 1. 7 can't come, these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come, these cells. It will come in the 2 cells. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. In this class, we have 9, 1, 5, 4. That 4 numbers can't come, there are 3 cells. It will come in another 4 cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 2. Column B, we got 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we got 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then in this diagonal, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 5th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, column D, we have 8. 8th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come, these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, 10th row, we have 9. In this diagonal also we have 9. So 9 can't come, these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row, and in this diagonal also we have 1. So 1 can't come, these cells. 1 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers, 8 and 9. In this diagonal also we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come, these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 1. 8th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come, these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come, these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column H, 2nd row, and in this diagonal, we have 6. So 6 can't come, these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. For the 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th grade, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come in these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then in this diagonal, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Fifth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 6. Seventh row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Seventh grade, column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, second row, third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, now 6 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. Column C, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 4th grade and 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. In this diagonal, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Fourth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.